Have you recently heard of the new streaming platform that is known as Trovo? Or is this the first time you're hearing about it and you're curious now? If so, stay tuned. What is going on, guys? Chad here from How To Tech, the channel dedicated to helping you take your tech to the next level. Today, we're going to be talking about Trovo, this new streaming platform, and I want to go ahead and let you know before we talk about what Trovo is, who it's owned by, what it's kind of looking like this platform might turn into, and where it's headed. I want to go ahead and mention I'm also going to be making two other videos on Trovo. We're going to be talking about Trovo 500. We're going to briefly touch that in this video, but it's got a lot of more in-depth things that I want to talk about and make a specific video for people that might just be interested in it, that might already know what Trovo is. And then the second one is going to be me giving a full review on Trovo. And I've already started streaming on Trovo, and I'm going to try it for at least a little while and see how it goes, so I can give you guys my full opinions on it, say after a month of streaming on Trovo. With all that being said, go ahead and check out my Trovo stream. I've been streaming pretty much almost every night, and you know, the schedule is not set, but definitely go ahead and check me out on Trovo. Drop me a follow and see what the platform looks like. So let's go ahead and jump into the questions. Getting started with the first question that I know most of you are going to have, and that is, what is Trovo? Well, Trovo is a new streaming platform similar to what we've seen as Twitch, Mixer, and even YouTube. Rest in peace, Mixer. And it is owned by Tencent, and Tencent is a very big company, and I'll talk about that very briefly, and I may get some of these wrong, but Tencent is a absolutely ginormous company, and they own IPs such as Activision Blizzard, or they at least own stakes in Activision Blizzard, Riot Games, and tons of other mobile games and platforms and things like that. So they are a huge company, which is a good thing. And we know Microsoft was a huge company and Mixer didn't work out well, but we'll get into why I think Mixer didn't work well and why I think Trovo might, if we're looking at it optimistically, might be a really, really good platform that could grow here in the future. Moving over to a question I'm seeing a lot of people ask, and even on Trovo's essentially Discord server, is Trovo the new Mixer? And no, it is not the new Mixer, but it is going to, from what it looks like, fulfill the purpose that Mixer was for people. And that is, it's gonna be a platform, for at least the time being, for smaller streamers to grow their communities and grow their streams and be active with their viewers. So if you're somebody that likes watching streams and likes having people that are very interactive, Trovo is the way to go, because there is no integration with these games and gaming platforms such as Xbox and PlayStation, of where people just turn on a stream and don't really pay attention to chat. Most of these people are using their PCs and they are streaming with a purpose, and they do talk to the chat. I haven't been in a single Trovo stream where people aren't talking to their viewers. So if you like that kind of engagement, it's a great platform right now, so go ahead and check that out. If you're a streamer that likes having people engaged in your stream and you're struggling to bring in viewers for something like Twitch, this might be a platform that you look at, because it seems like it's going to be great for smaller streamers, and we're going to talk about that in just a moment too. Another thing people have been asking is there a way to get partnered on Trovo? And yes, there is. You have to have 50 followers, and then after that, you're able to be a partner, and you get a subscribe button and all that stuff. I'm currently not at that point because I just started streaming and I've only streamed 3 times on it, but we're getting there. So go ahead and follow my Trovo, link down below, and I can give you guys a little bit more information in a future video on that. But I don't know if there's any kind of emotes or anything like that at this moment, but there's probably a lot of features, and they're working on a ton of them if you check out their community Discord that they are currently working on. So they are in full development for this platform. So I mentioned getting partnered with Trovo. Well, they're actually doing something that is mind-blowingly awesome. It is the coolest thing, and in my opinion, it is the way to grow a streaming platform. So if we look at what Mixer did, they paid Ninja and Shroud literally millions of dollars and brought in maybe a few other streamers and signed them to exclusivity deals, which is something that we see on Twitch, Mixer, and YouTube now. Well, rest in peace, Mixer. And you know, that honestly has not really shown much faith from viewership for people to switch over to those platforms. Well, Trovo is doing something different. They're not paying people to come to their platform, they're paying their creators. So if you are partnered on Trovo, you are not in an exclusivity deal. You can stream on any platform that you want and you can still be partnered, but they're also including a program called Trovo 500, where Tencent has actually allocated $30 million that they're going to be giving to their partners over the next year. And they look at keeping this program running as well as how good it does. So we're gonna see if this program does well, and if so, there might be more than 30 million or even another 30 million over the next year. And the way it kind of works is they're gonna pay it out each month to the top creators in their categories, and that is for the Trovo 500 video. So if you wanna check that out, check it up there. Is Trovo a Twitch clone? And while it may seem kind of like it is, we have to understand that Twitch and Mixer also look a lot alike, and Trovo is no different. It looks very similar, if not almost identical, to both Twitch and the layout of Mixer. So I just assume this might be a popularity thing between the streaming brands of how they want stuff laid out and ease of access for users and people not being alienated when they come to a platform and being confused at how to use the platform. But it does resemble Twitch and what Mixer was whenever it was still around very, very similarly. So no, it's not a Twitch clone, but it does look a lot like it, yes. So all right guys, that's gonna be all for this video. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Go ahead and destroy that like button and get subscribed to How To Tech if you guys aren't already. Check out the review that is coming soon. It should be up there in the card whenever it is available for my review on Trovo, and I'll probably be doing another one a month after this. So that's gonna be like my initial impressions actually, and then I'm gonna be doing a full review like about 30 days or so from now. But yeah guys, if you guys aren't already, go ahead and check out our community Discord. We have over 200 people and we're literally growing by like 25 if not 30 people a day, which is just mind-blowing. But go ahead and check that out. We've got a place to share your streams, clips, YouTube videos, and just to partner with other people to create content and troubleshoot things and a bunch more. But yeah guys, that's gonna be all for this video. This has been Chad from How To Tech, helping you take your tech to the next level, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.